And this is Ralphie. He's like, let me think. He's like what? Today's this month's July, and he's like 6 months old, barely. And we got him April 1st. We had him for like what, three months I think. And he was 3 months old when we got him. So yeah, around there. And yeah, he's a miniature schnauzer mixed with a poodle. And his birthday's January 19th, I think. Yeah. And got him first. Just imagine that surprise. They didn't even tell me I was getting a dog. They just took me to my room and showed me. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise, even though it was April 1st. But I got it. Stop biting my fingers! Look at your little beautiful face. Ooh, your baby. Ooh, your baby. Ooh, your baby. Good. So cute. So cute. Oh, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh. Yeah, Mama. Oh, your baby. Ooh, your baby. Oh, my. Oh. Ralphie? Ralphie?